In this video, I just want to show you how to set up this Bitcoin investment website. So as you can see on my screen here, this is the user dashboard, and you can see that this is actually a very cool and professional dashboard for an investment website. So you can see the total balance here. You can see the deposit, the invest, the select, send fund, the withdrawal, and the total amount the person have invested on this platform. Now, welcome back, guys. If this is the first time you're seeing our video, we share educating videos around tech stuff, and we show you tips and easy ways to make money for yourself as a web developer. So subscribe to this channel and then turn on the notification bell so that when we release educating videos of this sort, YouTube is going to notify you, and then you're going to watch this video and learn our tricks and strategy of making money and delivering professional websites to your clients as a web developer. Now, quick one, guys. This is a disclaimer that this video is solely for educational purpose, and we are not responsible for any illegal use of the software that is gotten from this video. So guys, let's get started. So now you can see that this is the user dashboard of this website script. So this is just the admin, so you can see how it looks. So by the end of this video, you're going to learn how to set this up for your clients, and it actually comes with a very robust feature, as you can actually send funds from here. You can see these are the wallet address, and this is the referral link for this particular platform. So it sends automatic email on registration, so you need to set up some things from the admin. So you can see that this client can actually click on here to deposit money, and if you want to, you just have to choose a plan. So let me choose a plan, and you enter the amount you want to deposit. Now let me select my wallet, and then which cryptocurrency, let's say Bitcoin, and then I click on proceed. So this is if the user wants to do a deposit on this platform. So let me just show you quickly how that goes through. So you see what it says. So it says we should copy this Bitcoin address and then make a deposit to it. So I've copied it, and then you say wallet address has been copied. So the client is just going to proceed and then do a deposit to this Bitcoin wallet address. So the one here, you're just going to edit it and put the wallet address of your client, or if you're doing it for yourself, you put your wallet address. So I'm just going to click on OK, and then it's going to click on confirm, and this is just going to tell us that we have successfully deposited $200,000, and it says on a standard plan. Now we just have to come back to the admin. Let me refresh this again. It has logged me out, so let me log into my admin again. So this is my admin username, this is my password. So I click on sign in now. So I want to sign into my admin. I click on OK. So this is my admin. So now when we come to deposit history, we are going to see that we've deposited so amount of money, and we can actually come here. So now the admin can actually cancel this payment, or I can just approve it. So let me just click on approve, and it's going to confirm that. So I click on confirm, and you see that the deposit was approved. So if the client come back to their dashboard, and let's do a refresh here. Let me log out here. So let me log out and log into a user account. So I log into my account, so my password. So I sign in now. So we had $999 before in that account. So see if that $200,000 was added to our account. So you can see, wow, it's right here already. So you can see that this is a robust system, and it has a chat plugin here that you can add from the admin. You understand? So it's a very cool and robust platform. So you can actually the admin can actually debit this client from the admin user end. So let me just show you some things that are okay. Before that, let me just try to do a withdrawal from the user end. So okay, I don't have a pending withdrawal already. So but if you had a bonus stuff, you can actually you need to do an investment first before you're allowed to do a withdrawal. So that's just that. So now let me come back to the admin and then show you some stuff right here. So now this is the user list. This is where you're going to see all the users. So I will need to log in again to the admin. So let me log into my admin again. So this is my password. So I sign in, and it's cool. So let me show you what is obtainable here in the admin. So it's on the user list is where you see all the users that have registered on this account. So if you want to perform any stuff, you just come here to click on this pen icon here. If you want to do anything, let's say you want to change their name or you want to deduct money. So you see that that account I just created. So let's say I want to remove let's say I just want to leave $1,000 in that account. So I just have to come here and then click on update, and that is successful. So when we log on to that, I'm going to show you that that was approved. So now you see deposit history is where you confirm deposit and where you can also cancel them. Withdrawal history, so if there is a withdrawal that has been performed on the platform, so you see that you can decline them, you can approve the deposits and withdrawal stuff. So another important thing, the first thing you need to do is once you set up this is just come to your admin. So now make sure you set up your website name, then you edit your website URL, then your website email, you make sure you edit it, create your webmail from the cPanel and come here and add it. The admin email, you add it also. Now the company address, you add it. You understand? So that live chat you're seeing, so this is where the plugin is installed. So this is Studio plugin. So if you just create your plugin from the website, you copy the code and come and paste here. Now the Bitcoin wallet address, you can see that these are the address that we saw earlier on when we tried depositing. So this is just the same thing. So just come here and put your own wallet address. Now the website currency, what currency do you want the website to have? So I want it to have US dollars, and I just have to click on update. So you need to design your professional logo so that you come here and also edit your logo. So it's actually easy to use and it's a very robust platform. So now I just want to go over to the second segment where I want to show you how to set this up for yourself. So first, if you want to do this for yourself, you need your domain name and you need your hosting. So with your domain name and your hosting, you're good to go. So my affiliate link is in the description of this video. Use my affiliate link. They are most likely to give you a free domain name and you're going to get a little discount on any service you want to buy from the hosting company. Is actually a very strong and reliable host, so I recommend them. You can just use my affiliate link to purchase your domain and hosting, while I'm also going to get a commission for referring you. So it's a win-win for both of us. So once you get your domain name and hosting, you log into your cPanel. So you're just going to be seeing an exact interface as this, which is your cPanel. So quickly, you just have to locate your file manager. If you can't find it, you just have to come here and type your file manager. So this is it. I come to my file manager. So now I have a website on this platform, so I'm just going to be doing this on a folder to quickly show you how to set this up for yourself. It's very easy. If you've been in the system, if you've been seeing previous videos from us, you know that it's something that is very easy to do. So now I just want to show you how to do that. So here you just have to come here and create a folder. I want to create a folder because I have a website on this. I just have to come to my public_html and then I create a folder. So I'm creating this folder because I have a website on this. So let's say invest, or let's say the name of our website is vest. But if you're doing this, you should do it directly to your public_html. So I create my folder, and this is my folder vest, and I click on upload. Then I click on select files. So now I'm going to come to my download. So this is my file right here. So don't worry, I am going to tell you how to get access to every software I am using in this video. So watch this video to the end so that you're going to learn how to get access to this website script so that you can use it to also do for yourself or for your clients, and you can charge them amount from 250k to 1 million to deliver this kind of job for them. And this website script comes with a bug-free code, so you're not going to be getting any issue whatsoever. However, while setting this up, if you run across any difficulty, my number is in the description of this video, so you don't have to chat me up and I'll be right there to assist you through setting up this for your website. And we can also help you set up if you have a website project and you're looking out for a developer to set it up for you. My number is in the description. You can just chat us up and then I'll help you do the setup for your website. So let's proceed. So while we are waiting for this to upload, now there is a documentation folder that also comes with this. So let me show you. So this is the documentation folder right here. So now this is just the simple way to set it up. So we are just going to create a database and then we are going to locate this folder. the database, then to connect.php, and then we are going to download this SQL file. This is what we are going to upload to the database. The SQL file we are going to upload to the database we just created. And before creating user account, so make sure you log in to your admin and do some of these settings, because these settings are needed. So if you don't do this, the client is most likely not going to successfully create the account when they are on this platform. So you just have to do this from the admin. So I showed you how to do this from the admin end. So you see, so now this is the admin login details. And then another good part of this platform is that the admin logs in the same way the clients log in on the platform. So let's say from the front end, instead of logging in the user details, you can just log in the same way. The admin can log in the same way the client um, logs in. So it's just cool and it's very easy to do. So let's come back here. Let's check if okay, it's 80. So let's just wait for that to upload and then we proceed to the next step. Okay, so once it uploads, you allow it to turn green. So let's come back to the folder we just created. So remember, why I'm doing this on the folder is because I have a dominant website on my public underscore HTML. So if you're doing this for a real work, you can just do it and upload it directly to your public underscore HTML and then you extract. So once our own is uploaded, so let's reload and you can see that mine is uploaded. Next thing you need to do is extract. Now, you need to make sure that while you're extracting this file, because most times my students get across this difficulty and it's actually an easy stuff to get through. Now you see that we've extracted this folder, the script that was uploaded, I've extracted it and it's extracted to a different folder. Now remember, the folder name we created is vest. So you need to make sure that all these files inside this files folder is moved into the vest folder that I created. Now see how you do it. Select all and then click on move. Now you see that we have the vest. This is the vest here that we created, but another folder has been created because we extracted the files from the script. So what you just have to do is you just have to come here and remove everything at the back of the vest, because you're uploading to vest. But if you're doing it on public underscore HTML, make sure there is nothing at the back of the public underscore HTML before you click on move files. But mine, I just want to do it to vest because that is the folder I created. So let me cancel this and do it again. So this is the vest folder I created. So I just have to remove everything at the back and then I click on enter. So you see that it has been moved. So now let's come back to my public underscore HTML and then I locate vest. So you see that the files are inside here now. So you can see that this is empty. So once you've extracted it and moved, you see that some of the folders will now be empty. So being empty doesn't mean that you can just delete it at this point. So you just delete it because it's of no use to us again. So you just delete it, they are not needed. So once you're done, the next procedure we need to follow here is to come here and then we need to download this database.sql file and then we need to come to this place and then configure our database. So now let me come back here. So you see that this is the database folder. So I just have to double click on this and download it. And you can see that it's downloading for me right here. So now it says we should come to database and then come to connect.php and then we click on edit and we click on edit again. So you see, we just have to edit the database details we have here. So now at this point, you need to come back to your cPanel and then create a database. Now to create a database is very easy. So come to your database here, come to my SQL database wizard. And once you click on that, you'll be brought to this page. So just create your database. You can just put a good database name and click on next step. So it's a very easy process. Follow the on-screen procedure and then create your own database, and then you're going to come here and then input those details. So you see that this is my own database information. So I have created a database already before now. So I'm just going to input the database I have created into this place. So now let's get my database details. So this is my database password. I copy that and I come here and I come locate my DB password. So I paste my own, paste. So you come back and get your database name. So this is my database name. Oh no, this is my database username. So this is database username. I paste my own, paste. So you come here and get your database name. So this is my database name, copy, and then I come here and then this is my database name. So the data DB server is it should be localhost. So leave it at this, and once you're done that, click on save changes. So I'm good to go. So now we need to upload the SQL file that I just downloaded to this particular database I created. So if you created your own, you should know the name of the database that you created. So let's come back to, so for us to upload it, we need to come back to our PHP myadmin. So come to your PHP myadmin. So this is your PHP myadmin. So you just have to come back to this place. It's loading up a little quick. Okay, so once you come here, you locate the database you created. So this is the database I just created, and this is the details I added to the connect.php. So come here and click on import, and then come here to choose files. So remember I downloaded an SQL file. So this is the SQL file I just downloaded. I select it, and then I come here and click on import. So once after importing, let's check for another procedure we need to follow to set this up. So okay, once after doing that, we have done this. So it said before we proceed, we should do these configurations at the admin. So remember I told you that the admin logs in the same way that the client log in. So now let's come back. So okay, while this is loading, so I need to just load up my own website. So I'm just going to go back. So remember I did my own on Vest. So I'm just going to do my domain name /Vest. So it's going to load my website up now. So my domain name /Vest. So if you didn't upload to a folder, just load up your primary domain name instead of putting / any stuff. So I'm doing folder because I uploaded mine to a folder. So let me wait for that to load up. Okay, you can see that my website has loaded up. So wow, you can see that this is beautiful, and you can see that my database has imported for me successfully. So we are good to go. So now you see that we have the content here already written for you, and you can actually just plug this and then play. So guys, you see this is just the robust stuff you can get for yourself. So the details here have been already written. So now I told you that the admin, for us to log into the admin logs in the same way that the client logs in. So you see that. So I just want to click on login now, and let's come here and get my admin login details. So admin username is admin. So I just have to copy this, and the password is 123456. So this is admin, and then I come here and then paste my password. This is it. So I click on sign in now. So you can see that it's actually easy to set up, guys. So in less than 20 minutes, we've been able to set up this website. So you can just do this and charge your client from 200 to 1 million to deliver this job for them. And you can see everything looking fine. So once you log into your admin, the first thing you need to do is to come to website settings. Now come here and change it to the name of the domain name you bought, to the name of your own website. Now copy your domain name and put it here. Make sure you do that. Come to your cPanel and then create an email from here. Create an email account and come here and put it right here, and then put it here. So if your website has a location, you edit it here. So any chat system you're using, chat plugin you're using, just come here and put the code that you've generated, your wallet address, you edit the ones that you want, and then craft a professional logo and then upload it here. Then you click on update, and everything is updated for you. So your website is good to go. So guys, we've seen that we've been able to set this up in less than 20 minutes. So guys, if you got value from this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that once we release educating videos of this sort, YouTube is going to notify you, and then you will learn my tricks of learning and delivering good jobs to your client. So I promised you that you will get access to this website script by the end of this video. So if you have 45,000, you can actually get access to this website script. Contact details is in the description of this video. So chat me up on WhatsApp and you're going to get access to this website script. So guys, I will see you in our next video. Thank you.